have started. Adverb means add plus verb. Add plus verb. అంటే క్రియకి యాడ్ అయింది. అధికము యాడ్ అంటే అధికము. ఇంగ్లీష్లో క్రియకి యాడ్ అయింది. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు it is added to, it is used to add a verb. Here it is used added to the noun. Here it is used to the verb. Verb అంటే క్రియకి యాడ్ అయింది. ఎలా తెలుగులో వేగముగా పరిగెత్తున్నాడు. He runs fast. He runs fast. Fast is added to the noun. Runs we. వేగముగా పరిగెత్తున్నాడు తెలుగులో. ఇంగ్లీష్లో he runs fast. He does quickly. In the same way we have to do adverb. How many types? Two types of verbs there. There are two types of verbs there. Active verb and passive verb. 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 Passive means lazy verb. Lazy verb means it will become as passive verb. Active verb and passive verb. In the passive verb we will have to use be forms to support the main verbs. The passive verb we have to use the be forms into the passive verb. So example, suppose here what is there? Here active. I hit you. I hit here active verb. This is active verb and it will be changed into passive verb. How? I am active. I am hit. Here what is the meaning? Here నేను కొట్టాను here తెలుగులో. Here నేను కొట్టాను. అదే ఇంగ్లీష్లో నన్ను కొట్టారు. Observe the difference. నన్ను కొట్టారు. If you know this active and passive sense, you will automatically learn the ideas. Here the am is the helping verb to the hit main verb. This is helping verb or auxiliary. It is called in auxiliary. How many auxiliaries are there? Let us see. How many auxiliaries are there? You will have to see. Auxiliaries are helping verbs. Which are very useful for writing and speaking grammatical English. Helping verbs. What are those? I am going to tell you all the 25 or 24 verbs. First one is be forms. What are those? First type is be forms. Be forms are used as main verbs and helping verbs to the main verbs. Helping verb to the main verbs. First one is be. Be means be. This is be. From the be, what are those? From the be, yamu, one yamu, is to, are three, or were, four, or four, was, five, was, five, was five, been, six, being, being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Am is or were, was, been, being, and be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 are the B forms which are used for B forms. 8 are used for B forms which are used as main verbs, which are used as main verbs. Main verbs का उपयोगపడతాయి. Main verbs గా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. Main verbs గా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. మరియు helping verbs గా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. Helping verbs are nothing but auxiliaries. Helping verbs. These are the very important for learning. These are the B forms which are used in the passive voice also. Passive voice also. These B forms enunnai. Start చేయి. There are 8 B forms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 B forms. What are those 8 B forms? Which are used as helping verb. Here, I am here. Here am is main verb. అంటే ముఖ్యమైన క్రియ అని తెలుగు. అదే I am going. Here it is helping verb. Helping verb or auxiliary. Helping verb here. Then what are those remaining? There are 8 modals. Next one is modals. Modals are used as helping verbs only, but not used in main verbs. Here I can tell you the all helping verbs. There are 9 modals. How many? There are 9 modals. First one is shall, should, will, would, would, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may and might. Next one is how many? 8 plus must. These are 9 models which are always followed by E1. E1 means run, ran, running, runs. Here run is the E1. Here what is the it should not be used in main verbs. Here examples, he shall go, atanu veltadu. He should go, atanu vellali. He will go, atanu veltadu. He will go, atanu vellalugutadu. He can go, atanu vellavachu. He could go, atanu vellagaligadu. He may come, atanu raavachu. He might come, atanu vachi undavachu. He must come, atanu raavali. How many are there? There are 9 modals which are always followed by E1. What is that? He can lift. He can lift. Here, can is auxiliary, helping verb to the lift. He can lift 100 kgs. 100 kgs. And what is that? This is lift. Lift, lift E1, lift E1, lifted E2, lifted V2, lifted V3, lifted V3, lifted V3, and lifting is V3, V4, lifts is the V5. In this way, the verbs are segregated in our grammar books. You need not study all the grammar books which are very big size and which you don't understand what is the English grammar by reading the large grammar books. You will have to learn by this way, then you will get automatically English, grammatical English and learning English. This is the, what are those? These are the modals. These are the modal verbs. Next one is possessive verbs. What are those? Possessive verbs. Possessive. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E. Possessive verbs. Possessive verbs. What are those? Possessive are has, have, had, having are the possessive verbs. Possessive means, listen to, what is that? I have a marker. I have a marker on my hand. I have a marker on my hand. And na దగ్గర mark ఉంది. She has a pen to write. ఆమె దగ్గర pen ఉంది. She has a pen. ఆమె దగ్గర ఉంది. It is used as, these are also used as main verbs and auxiliary verbs. These are also used, these are the four, has, have, had, having, four verbs. These are the four verbs. These are used, used as main verbs, main verbs and helping verbs. And helping means, you know, already I have told, helping verbs. Helping verbs. Here, I have been here. I have been here. నేను ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాను. Here have is as a helping verb. Helping verb. Been is here main verb. Been is used main verb. Here been is used as a main verb. Have is have helps been. I have been. I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a pen. Here that is used as main verb. Here it is used as main verb. If you know the difference between the main verb and helping verb, you can automatically understand the English grammar and you can easily write English writing. Next one here, what is there? Have is helping verb for being. And here have is the main verb is for in the I, for subject I. What are those? There are 8 B forms, 9 modals, 9 8 17 plus 4, 21 auxiliaries. In the auxiliaries there are subgroups. What are those? B forms, modals and possessive verbs. Now I am going to teach action verbs. Action verbs. Here I am going to teach action verbs. These are the action verbs. What are those? Do, does, did. Do, does, did. Do, does, did. How many here? 8 plus 9, 17 plus 24. 4. Already we have reached to 21. And 21 plus 23, 24, 21, 22, 23, 24. Up to here. Example, you do your work. Do your work. Here do can help. Do is the helping verb and this do is the main verb. Do your work. అంటే నీ వర్క్ ఖచ్చితంగా చేయి, గట్టిగా చేయాలి. ఆరు హియర్ యూ డిడ్ యువర్ వర్క్. యూ డూ యువర్ వర్క్. You do your work. Here it is as a main verb. Here it is as a main verb. Those are very useful in day-to-day life English. You did not do it. You did not do it. Did is helping verb here. Did not do it. This is the main verb. Did not do. Did not. Did is. Did helps do. Here there is no. Here it is a main verb. You did not do it. నీవు చేయలేదు ఇది. You do work. నువ్వు చేసావు. ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ వెర్బ్ ఇది. This is used as a main verb. Here it is helping verb. HV means helping verb. These are the main auxiliaries in English grammar. There are another semi-auxiliaries are there. Semi-helping verbs are there. Semi-helping verbs are there. Semi-helping verbs are there. Helping verbs are there. Semi-auxiliaries. Another name is semi-auxiliaries also they call it. What are those? First one is need, dare, ought, OUGHD, ought to, and used to. These are the semi-auxiliaries which can come from the ordinary verbs. Need means need, needed, needing, needs. These are the 5 types ordinary verbs. E1, V2, V3, V4, V5. These are the ordinary verbs in which it will become as helping verbs. I need to go. I need to write. I need go. I need go. I need go. నేను వెళ్ళాల్సి ఉంది. I need go. నేను వెళ్ళాల్సి ఉంది. Here it is. What is here? It is helping verb. Here it is helping. Here it helps. Need helps to the go. Main verb. Helping verb and main verb. I did not need the article. I did not need the article. I did not need the pen. Here it is used as here need is a main verb. Main verb and did is supported to the need. In that way, I had to go. I had to go. నేను వెళ్ళవలేను. I used to go. నేను వెళ్తూ ఉండేవాడిని. I dare to go. నేను ఏదైనా ధైర్యంగా వెళ్ళగలను. I dare to go. I ought to go. నేను వెళ్ళవలేను. I used to go. It is used as a stressing for